top stories. Illegal Rohingya Muslims continue to arrive in Manipur, 9 arrested. Accused husband in wife murder case remanded to 10-day police custody. No let-up in demand for sacking Grim's director, strike intensified. Good evening and welcome to Times of Manipur. This is SURAJ giving you the news. Now the news in detail. Police have arrested 9 illegal Rohingya Muslims, including 3 women, and search operations conducted in different parts of Manipur, including More town bordering Myanmar. Police said that the arrested Rohingyas are from different places of neighboring Myanmar. Police have also arrested a man who helped the Rohingyas while entering the state. He has been identified as Muhammad Tahir, aged 30 years, hailing from SURAJ. Muhammad Tahir guided the Rohingyas in reaching Imphal, police said. He was presented before the concerned magistrate and investigations are on. Tengnopal District Superintendent of Police Thokchom Vikramjit told newsmen that acting on a tip-off, a district police team led by DSP and SURAJ arrested 4 illegal Rohingyas, 2 women and 2 men at Tengnopal police checkpost. They did not possess valid documents, he said. During questioning, it was disclosed that some more Rohingyas were present in More, following which the police managed to arrest them from a hotel at More Bazaar around 10 p.m. on May 28, SP Vikramjit added.
27 at around 3:30 p.m. a team of Tengnopal District Police, led by DSP Headquarters, Mr. Suraj Singh, could detain 4 Rohingyas. So on further inquiry, they are found coming towards More without any legal documents. So they are detained and arrested and produced before the concerned magistrate. Then, as a part of the, as a consequence of the further investigation of the case, we could arrest another 5 Rohingyas from the hotel at More. Then from further investigation, we could know that there is one Rohingya, namely Mr. Tahir Ali, who was the mastermind and who was planning the whole this infiltration exercise. So we started searching about Tahir Ali, and on day 30, in early morning of 30, we could arrest him from a place at Sora.
Naurem Dizamani Singh, aged 67 years, the husband of murdered woman Naurem Rekha, aged 66 years, was today produced before the Court of Chief Judicial Magistrate Imphal West, who remanded him to police custody for 10 days. Naurem Rekha, the mother of well-known fashion designer of Manipur, Robert Naurem, was found brutally murdered at her Singzamai Thokchomlekai residence on May 29. On examination, Naurem Dizamani, the accused in the murder case, has been making many inconsistent statements and not been able to justify many suspicious circumstances that could have caused the crime on that fateful day. The investigating officer, Sub-Inspector Robert Singh, submitted in the court. Therefore, Naurem Dizamani, husband of murdered woman complainant turned accused person now, was arrested on May 31st as he appears to be concealing many facts and circumstances with regard to the incident, and his involvement in commission of the offence is highly suspected, the IO further submitted. Non-Teaching Employee Welfare Association of Regional Institute of Medical Sciences, RIMS Imphal, has intensified their strike demanding removal of the hospital director. Patients face difficulties as several blocks of the hospital were shut due to the strike. The association said the strike will go on until Director Shanta is sacked. Addressing as a resource person at an event held on the theme Shaping Career, being organized by Global Shapers Community Imphal Hub at Bal Bhavan in Kumalam Park Sports Complex, Imphal today, Director of Youth Affairs and Sports Armstrong Palmer stressed that dedication and hard work are the key ways to success for students and youngsters. He asserted that it is of utmost importance in choosing the right career if one has to move ahead in life.
You fail because of your parents. You fail because of yourself. Learn from me. Look at me. Despite so many difficulties, despite so many problems in life, the problems of finance, the problem of school fees not being paid in time, of all the distraction that will come on your way, please do not be distracted. You have to stay very, very strong and committed. Your friends will come and say, "Ngasi picnic che, ko, ngasi movie yang se, ko." So many things, so many reasons will be there for you to stop studying or for you to stop giving your attention. Please do not give up on all of those.
Speaking on the central theme of the program, the curator of Global Shepherds Community Imphal Hub, Bangkim Nongthombam, said that the event will help the participants in guiding the right choice of career after completing their schools and colleges.
Class 9 dagina class 12 aduga recently class 10 passed off giva class 12 satra passed off giva singai se moida kari career lauthar sige makha ta ba se kari subject tam gani graduation da kari line tam gani adai dagi BSc tam se ha ga subject combination se karam ba logani haibagi madu makhoida laiba doubt mayam do adu duigi clarify tawgi opportunity ma pijabane masida adu akoina expert mayam ma invite tawjaraga expert akoi ngasi expert kun hena lengjal laga leiri different various fields mayam ge ado angang singai ge di yam afaba opportunity amane.
One of the participants, Serena Huidrom, a student of class 9 in Imphal Valley School, told TOMTV that today's event has cleared her confusion in choosing the right career in future.
Career counseling program is going to be held, and I think it's very good that they are having such. This is a big opportunity for all of us, because so many of us have problems with our with what we are good at, and this is helping us to identify that. So I think it's very good.
As a part of the event where several students from different schools took part, subject experts gave an insight of career options to students by operating counseling stalls at the venue. Well, it's time now for a short break.
Langsin Biraksi, Yaisna pre-on cars. Government ki registration fanglaba amasong ningthina certified tauraba makal machugi four-wheeler sing fangbigani. Yengbisi adongi apamba gari adomsu line car tongba yaragani. Gariga mamalga chanana fangbigani. Yaisna pre-on cars sangangai opposite to airport. Mobile number 82590 54531.
IPS, the Imphal Public Higher Secondary School, Kanchipur, near Manipur University First Gate.
Admission opens for class 11, both arts and science.
Some highlights of the school: scholarship for meritorious students, strict discipline, separate hostels for boys and girls, gymnasium and fitness centers, guest professors and lecturers, smart classrooms, special concession for handicapped, OBC, ST and SCs, orphans, art and theatre, free education, free admission, separate study rooms for brilliant students, maximum first divisioners, letter mark holders, subject toppers, inspire awardees in the higher secondary examinations, direct admission for the wards of strict parents. IPS, top choice for your child career.
Hello.
Pakhong ama chalake.
Chalune.
Chahi amagi plan tawge haradi.
Oh, phau pambi thabiyo.
Okay. Chahi taragi plan tawge haradi.
U pambi thabiyo.
Chahi chamagi plan di.
Ichabu afaba school da mahai tamhanbiyo.
Icha kaina afaba school haidi.
Lanai coaching tawgi awaba lehendaba. School du da adum changne na coaching tohonba.
Mama paga cha manana warak watembi ba.
Gym, aerobic, dance, football, thangta.
Mamang da 12 exam gi topper su puthokraba.
Khwaidagi chawba, nanba, khwaidagi phaba school.
Last pakhong. Kari school no.
Slopeland Public School Khongjom chumabra.
Chumme. Yam khangi ko.
Yes. Only Slopeland Public School, Khongjong.
Heritage Convent, Uripok Bachuspati Laikai and Naramthong Kulem Laikai, Imphal. HSLCE 2019 at a glance. Congratulations, a school where winning is the habit. Superstars of Heritage gets a cash prize of rupees 1 lakh each. Arena Wycombe, daughter of Wycombe Wilson Singh, 15th position, 92%. Total mark 552. Selina Laishram, daughter of L. Surachandra Singh, 20th position, 91.17%. Total mark 547. Sanjinbam Eric, son of Sanjinbam Nauba Singh, 22nd position, 90.83%. Total mark 545. Trailblazers gets a laptop each. Elangbam Lingjen Leibi, daughter of E. Naubi Singh, total mark 540, 90%. Henry Nauram, son of N. Nandeshore, total mark 530, 88.33%. Leo Tauchom, son of T.H. Romeo, total mark 527, 87.83%. K.H. Rohit Singh, son of K.H. Rameswar Singh, total mark 522, 87%. S. Veronica, daughter of S. Dhanachandra, total mark 516, 86%. R.K. Lamchin B, daughter of R.K. Joychandra, total mark 514, 85.67%. S. Debyarani Chanu, daughter of S. Biramangol Singh, total mark 511, 85.17%. And Narmada Devi, daughter of N. Thoiba Singh, total mark 511, 85.17%. Felicitation on 25th of May, Saturday at Haurang Sabal Heritage Campus number 3, opposite Haurang Police Station, Imphal West.
Mahai Manipur da ahan moina UPSC, MPSC na loba, IAS, IPS amadi MCS na chingba exam singi preparation khakta da yumpham oiba amadi hiram asida khang heiraba oza sing khakta na lamjing lamtakpa institute ni Mahai gi faculty sing asi UPSC exam gi experience leiraba masa masa gi subject ta mapung phana qualified oiraba oza sing ni Manipur dagi IAS, IPS amadi MCS na singba services ta mai pakpa candidate sing puthokpa haibasina mahai gi pandamni mahai na exam asiga mari leinaba course khudingma quality leina affordable oiba fees ta fangali hotna janingba thawai yaujaba mahiroi singidamak makhal kaya gi scholarship ki tengmangsu piri lengsin biraksi mahai Civil Services Institute Kwakathel Bazaar
India की top university सिंगी मरकता अमा ओरिबा Assam Downtown University Guwahati the engineering management nursing pharmacy hotel management paramedical the ming chanbining ba singna setful oidringai da ngasi maklak piduna ming chanbiyu admission office Assam Downtown University Babupara Bosemlerak Imphal.
Welcome back after the break. The month-long statewide International Labour Day observance starting from May 1st wrapped up yesterday. Organizing Committee Mede Thabum Thoram All Manipur Manpower Upliftment Center along with Lomi Sinmi Apunbalup Bisnupur District jointly organized a program marking the end of the observance at Ningthokhong Public Park in Bisnupur District. Addressing the event, social scientist Dr. I.S. Konthosam talked on the current status and strength of labour and farmers in Manipur. He said that every individual from the working class community must have the courage to raise their voice for the truth and maintain unity among themselves. Otherwise, it will be hard for them to survive in this society. Social scientist Dr. Dhanabi Laisram also attended the program. He said people should not look down on the working class community. Chairperson of Ningthokhong Municipal Council L. Ibungo Singh, President of Amok K. Kamsan, President of Lomi Sinmi Apunbalup T.H. Noren and several farmers and labourers were also present on the occasion. Apunba Ireipaki Mahiroi Sinpanglup AIMS has strongly condemned the state government's alleged failure to take action against the group involved in distributing fake certificates to students issued by an Assam Sanskrit board. In a press release, AIMS stated that in 2018, altogether 224 students from 58 different schools and colleges in the state were found to get admission in several educational institutions after completing their Class 11 exams by using these fake certificates. It also said the group has been misguiding and cheating the students in the state for commercial purposes by issuing fake certificates under two institutions, namely Thakur Chaturpati and Jagannath Dev. The students' body said that change in names and roll numbers in these certificates is the solid proof that these are all fake. AIMS is currently investigating the matter. It also informed the authorities of all concerned schools and colleges to contact the organization at the earliest. Northeast Student Society Delhi University has set up a help desk for Northeast students seeking admission in different colleges of the university. Help desk at the room number 5 Conference Center, North Campus will assist students from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. A press not informed today. As announced on April 2nd to make area around educational institutes a free tobacco zone by Joint Students Coordinating Committee, a youth task force has been carrying out a drive against tobacco products and burning the seized items. Speaking to media at the office of the MSF, media coordinator of JSCC, Sajjad Bashiamayum, said it is, however, unfortunate that sale of tobacco products continues unabated. He appealed to all concerned, especially shopkeepers, to cooperate with students' organization in curbing the manage.
Walnut tobacco de haiduna observe tawduna tumina laikibagi mahuta hairiba tongan tonganba mai tambam sangsing asi manipurgi kachin koya akoigi district khudingmak sinba thungna akoigi 100 meter yard asi akaknaba yellow line ama hakpiduna akoigi laibak mayam amadi mai tambam sangsing gi akoibada phambi riba school akoigi dukan amadi canteen singi kano singda mapu singsida akoigi aware oinaba khangan binabagi
The scientists of Indian Council of Agricultural Research ICAR centers working in diverse disciplines said Manipur has been affected by the changing climate. Trend analysis of weather variables in Imphal under National Innovations on Climate Resilient Agriculture revealed that the mean annual maximum temperature from 1954 to 2014 has been increasing by 0.1% decade, stating that as evident from the last 30 years climate data analysis. Precipitation rate in northern parts is expected to increase, the scientists said. The southern districts are expected to experience higher temperature than that of the northern district. Let's take a short break once again.
Manipur ki ahanba 24/7 cab service oriba lamjingba cab service na miyang seba da lejari apamba service khanbiyo economic rate rupees 15 per kilometer, standard rate rupees 25 per kilometer, luxury rate rupees 55 per kilometer with base fare of rupees 40. Manipur ki district singi maruoina Senapati, Ukhrul, Churchanpur, Kakching, More, Chandela Chingba Singh Chatnanabagisu ataba mamalda book tawbiba yaragani. Manipur gi mapan gi lamsing haibadi Guwahati, Shillong, Dimapur, Silchar na chingba sing chatnanabagisu book tawbiyu loinana luhongba amadi atopa thabak thorom ki damaktasu akhanaba discount pizari. Hena kupa marol ki damak contact tawbiyu aikhoi gi contact number 1800102795 natraga 8794613154. Aikoigi website www.lamjingbatomtv.
Hey, Bima, exam pass to bugi haraugi di later no ungo pami du karigino.
Pamoyage school puna taminradi I like tamatoge.
Ay ma amtang ako. Nangbu koi ibim ga lairik punna tamina ba tanbrane.
Ay di science stream pa me. Aduga ko ichan to mina art stream. ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗꯗꯤ ꯁꯥꯏꯟꯁꯀ ꯑꯥꯔꯠꯁꯀ ꯄꯨꯂꯞ ꯇꯝꯃꯤꯟꯅꯕ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯑꯐꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜ ꯑꯃꯠꯇꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯆꯟ ꯇꯣꯝꯕꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯒ ꯄꯨꯂꯞ ꯆꯠꯃꯤꯟꯅꯅꯤꯡꯗꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯅꯦ ꯕꯥꯆꯧ
ꯍꯦ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤꯅꯣꯅꯦ ꯍꯦ ꯅꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯋꯥꯔꯤꯗꯨꯕꯣ ꯍꯥ ꯅꯣꯏ ꯑꯅꯤ ꯄꯨꯟꯅ ꯇꯝꯃꯤꯟꯅꯕ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜꯅꯤꯅꯦ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯊꯤꯕ ꯆꯠꯂꯨꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯏꯝꯐꯥꯜ ꯑꯦꯌꯔꯄꯣꯔꯠ ꯃꯅꯥꯛꯇ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯆꯉꯥꯡꯉꯩ ꯎꯁꯤꯀꯣꯟꯗꯅꯦ ꯑꯦꯗꯚꯥꯟꯁ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯑꯥꯔꯠꯁ ꯑꯦꯟड ꯁꯥꯏꯟꯁ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯤꯡꯈꯠꯂꯦꯗꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜꯁꯤꯗ MILꯒꯤ ꯁꯕꯖꯦꯛ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯝꯕ ꯌꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯏꯁꯨ ꯃꯊꯛꯇ ꯊꯥ ꯑꯍꯨꯝ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯒꯤ फ्री मेडिकल चेकअप
hey nangbo adiyam phaba school am phangaga nacha ani gi form loruktridi karigino
ताचो ओइसु अपम मी नति कइदोरगे से फॉर्म
लौरी इन है
Nauka Hearing Aid Center Kumja lising ama chawpan marifom doi ki hona chai kunthra manga hena Notice India ahan hearing aid clinic mo ine lerek laba Nauka gi Imphal Center ma hangjare TV ma di phone gi konjel loinana nil khongbu mafam na ta ngam da gi awaba mayok na di bana al kuding mag wabi rogano Nauka Hearing Aid Clinic ngasi maklengsin directuna completely invisible water resistant ama di rechargeable oida digital hearing aid hapiu ta ngam gi pangal wala badom gi khangna chana ba single power se tambio ai khoi gi leifam di Nagamapal Main Road Phogoi Sangam Laikai near Community Hall mobile number na 6000954159
Leisure Adungidamak Salai Mart Home Delivery Service Numit Kudingi Sizinaba Household Item FMCG Grocery Item Fruits, Vegetables, Fish Amadi Chicken School College Singi Canteen Institutional Amadi Hospital Canteen Supply Masida Sunatana Isagi Shop Taksa Hizanaba Function Program Amadi Taksangi Seva Pambiri Basingna Grocery Item Yumda Laina Order Tawiba Yagani Cash Amadi Card Payment Tawiba Yagani Order Tawiba Matanda Lupa Changa Dagi Tadana Tawi Akupa Marol Gidamak Pizza Diva number Asida Call Tawiro
SN Girls Academy class 11 Science tamna bagi admission form thajare school sida qualified oiraba mani mapung phana train torbo oja singna takpi tambiri mapung phana same sarbak sukulai folam suna thamlaba laboratory sing sang naina weekly the monthly test pangthokli subject khuding mapan gi expert na counseling piri ngi mangal pibuga loinana fajaba moral character tambiduna lamdam sida nupi singi tha wakhal hanamgi pandam dal linkaliba SN Girls Academy Sagolban NC Road Bijoy Govinda mamang lekai.
Welcome back. Tripura Health and Family Welfare Minister Sudeep Roy Burman has been removed from Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Deb led Ministry of the 15-month-old BJP IPFT government in Tripura. This has come to light in an official notification issued by the Chief Secretary in charge of Tripura, Kumar Alok, late last night. Mizoram's Joram People's Movement JPM, an alliance formed by 6 political parties, yesterday decided to merge into a single political party. This was disclosed during a media interaction in Aizawl yesterday. Addressing the media, JPM Senior Vice President Dr. Kenneth Chongliana informed that all the 6 political parties will come under a single banner by the next month. The notice Frontier Railway NFR awarded 8 railway staff in Guwahati for showing exceptional devotion towards duty. This was stated in an official release issued yesterday. They were awarded with a cash award of rupees 3,000 each along with a certificate issued by the NFR General Manager in recognition for their services, informed the press release issued by NFR Chief Public Relations Officer PJ Sharma. The 15th Finance Commission will visit Meghalaya from June 3rd to 5th to review different aspects of the state's finance prior to making its recommendations to the Union Government for financial devolution. The Commission, headed by its Chairman N.K. Singh and members A.N. Jha, Dr. Ashok Lahiri, Dr. Anup Singh, Professor Ramesh Chan and senior officers, is likely to hold meetings with the Chief Minister and his cabinet ministers along with senior officers of Meghalaya government. In Arunachal Pradesh, Janata Dal United has extended unconditional support to the Pema Khandu-led BJP government in the state. Briefing media persons in Itanagar today, JDU Legislative Party leader Techi Kaso said that his party will support the BJP government in the state from outside without any condition. He said the Arunachal unit of JDU is following the instructions of their national president and Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar. Sikkim is all set to host the highest altitude marathon at the height of 17,800 feet. The highest altitude marathon is scheduled to be held from June 3rd to June 5th, 2019. The event will be organized at Gurudongmar, which is one of the most popular tourist spots in Sikkim. The Gurudongmar Marathon, which is one of the highest marathons in the world, will be organized by the Sikkim Mountaineering Association SMA. The marathon will have runners from different parts of the country and also from other countries across the world. Congress President Rahul Gandhi today said that the party will continue to fight the BJP every day despite the poll dropping. According to a media report, addressing a meeting of the Congress Parliamentary Party CPP in New Delhi, Rahul Gandhi said that last time there were 44 Congress MPs in the Lok Sabha and the party took on the BJP, and now the party has 52 who will fight the BJP every day. Meanwhile, UPA chairperson Sonia Gandhi has been elected as the CPP leader. Congress President Rahul Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi attended the Congress Parliamentary Party meeting today. The meeting was attended by all Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha MPs from the Congress. A leader of the Samajwadi Party was shot dead in Jaunpur by bike-borne assailants last morning, while another was shot dead in Noida in the afternoon. Adding to the list of murders of people linked to political parties in Uttar Pradesh after the declaration of the Lok Sabha election results, police said Lalji Yadav, 45, was shot at by masked men while he was on his way to Jaunpur city and was declared dead at a local hospital. Later, in the same afternoon, Ramtek Kataria was shot dead outside his house at Dadri in Noida while he was overseeing construction work. There is relief for thousands of air travelers affected due to the closure of Pakistan airspace as India lifted curbs on use of its skies. Temporary restrictions on all air routes in the Indian airspace imposed by the Indian Air Force on 27 February 2019 have been removed. The Indian Air Force posted on Twitter, Pakistan shut its airspace for all flights on February 27 following the Indian Air Force airstrike at a Jaiz-e-Mohammed camp in Balakot. An angry public utility employee opened fire on co-workers at city offices in Virginia Beach, Virginia, killing 11 people and wounding at least 6 others before he was fatally shot by police, authorities said. The shooting last afternoon was believed to be the deadliest act of workplace gun violence in the United States since February. The 57-member Organization of Islamic Cooperation (OIC) today slammed the U.S. decision to transfer its embassy to Jerusalem and recognize the disputed city as Israel's capital. This Saudi-hosted summit condemned the transfer of embassies of the United States and Guatemala to Jerusalem and urged all members to boycott countries that have open diplomatic missions in the city, a media report said. Let's now have the top stories of today's newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express, 2 tourist guides at KLNP to receive monthly honorarium of 5,000. The Shanghai Express gives a shot to Shanghai conservation. Portfolios announced. Rajnath gets defense. Amit Shah Home, Sitaraman Finance, Jaisankar MEA. Cobbs summon husband of murdered women. Sit-in decries murder of Robert's mom. The People's Chronicle, sobs for farmers, traders at First Union Cabinet meet. School Fagathansi mission set for full operation. Reams non-teaching staff stir from today. Jayantakumar calls for quitting tobacco use. Upgrade of fast-track code for crime against women to special code inevitable. The Morning Bell at 55%. Manipur tobacco consumption rate higher than national level. Naurim Rekha, mother of Robert Naurim, killed by her husband, says police source. Unemployment rate rises to 45-year high. Economy at 5-year low. Northeast to experience heavy rain, thunder shower. 2 ministers in new Modi government from Northeast. Manipur Mail, Saha gets home. Nirmala gets finance, 2 birds for Northeast. First decision of government dedicated to those who protect India. Nemcha attends July General Conference. Non-teaching staff of Reams protest.
Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top stories once again. Illegal Rohingya Muslims continue to arrive in Manipur, 9 arrested. Accused husband in wife murder case remanded to 10-day police custody. And no let-up in demand for sacking RIMS director, strike intensified. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.
Thank you.